Hello guys, this is Real CAD CAM Solution. Today we're going to see a new room option and a stair option all of the architect Read Architect software. Okay, first of all I choose to the dimension, go to the room setting. I use it to the all the room, click to the place room automatically, just like this. The all rooms gets to the room space is assigned. Okay. Next I am going to change the all room names. It's a master bedroom and it's queen bedroom. Okay, and that's it. I fit to all this. Then go to a room tag. This is a tag option. Okay, what is the room and the room name? I just choose the leader also. Okay, just proceed like this and go to arrange. The another option is the tag all not tagged. It's a specific of all walls, rooms and automatically assigned to the tags. Okay, give the leader tick and leader length value I assumed 3/4 inch. It's 1/2 inch, very small, so that I just choose leader 3/4 inch. Okay, the tag is proceeded. Okay, very nice. And then go to the area plan. It is the outer section of the violet color line highlighted is the all over the interior section of the surface. And go to the area. This is the total area. Okay, 3866 square feet. Okay, and then we go to draw another section of the part used to the exterior glassing. This is the glass framing of the building used to the aluminum partition also. Just look how to do this. I used to the split to the wall. Just click over here and also over here and go to delete the unwanted walls. I used to take this wall. Okay, the glass wall is proceeded. And then go to the 3D view. I go to the beam view assumed, go to the view setting and the tile window, go to the realistic, just place it over here. Okay, and then go to divide the glass of the sample pot. Okay, go to the architect. First of all I go to the maximum pages of this area. Go to the architect. I use to the curtain grid. This is the divided pattern of the glasses, so I use to choose this. Give the all segment. This is the part of the divided segment. I use to the all segments and divide it to the part here. Okay, I use it to the center point. Here also I use it to the give center point. Okay, here also I use it to the center point. And then go to the mullion option. The mullion option is the framing section of the glass, outer and edge of the divided part. I use to the material as aluminium. Okay, and use it to the type of sizes. Use it to 2.5 cross 5 inch. Okay, I use 1.5 inch. Give okay, and go to the end of the sections. Just click like to the divided part area like this. Okay, all over the part just give like this. This is the main one of the structure section of the aluminum framing and glass panels. Okay, and then we go to make some stair section. Okay, we just study the all stair section. First of all I used to draw a straight stair. Just draw like this. Just put over the surface and draw like this some height of it's almost finished. Okay, I used to the landing section of the top of the stair. Draw like this, just to put over like this. Okay, then give the finish tick and go to the second finish tick. It's a forming of a railing. Okay, okay, and go to the tile window. Just look the right side window. The railing is firmly good. Okay, okay, nice. And go to the another stair steps. Okay, go to the stair, give the full step spiral stair, draw like this, give some radius of this value of interior spiral section, go to the landing, draw to the sketch used to the 3-point arc. It's a landing type. Okay, place it like this and draw over like this. Okay, nice, very nice. And just click the finish tick. It comes to the right side tile window. Just see. Okay, nice. Just tick. The railing is formed to be good. Just waiting. Okay, it's finished. Go to the stair off spiral. It's a center end spiral. Also draw like this. Give some radius and get to the some steps to the stair. It's the same method like a full shaped spiral. Okay, and go to draw a landing. Use it to the 3-point landing. Okay, draw like this and use it to the line like this. Okay, just finish it to the stick and go to the view of landing. Just tick. Okay, just see the right side tile window. It's finished. And then go to the L-shaped stair. It's a normal one. It's a shape as an L like that. That's why we choose the interior stair, and other stair designs also we use this. Draw to the landing towards the top of the stairs. It's umbrella. Okay, once again draw to the landing. Give to the tick first of all. The railing is almost comes toward the stairs. The landing, it's not a must to the L-shaped because it's tilted to the inclined angle method stair. It is. That's why. Okay. And then use to the U-shaped stair. Okay. Use to the landing towards the U-shaped stairs. Draw like this. Okay, just tick finished. Also tick finished. Okay, it comes towards the landing, and give the final tick for the railing setup to the landing and the stairs connected. Let's see the finish to this sections. Okay, it's almost finished. Okay guys, if you like this video, give like, share and comment. Also subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you.